Hi, I'm Dr. Dawn Martin. I'm one of the optometrists with Prime Eye Care. We have 4 locations in the Valley and I work in our East Mesa office.
My husband and I have been coming to Prime Eye Care seeing Dr. Martin and Dr. McGehee for almost 8 years. They have been excellent doctors. They have helped us through some issues. The staff is wonderful here and they make you feel very comfortable.
We do full scope optometry, doing medical. We can treat glaucoma and anterior segment diseases. We can prescribe medications for the eye, as well as some oral medications if they're necessary. We have an after-hours on-call that's available for patients. There was always a doctor on that line, and they can answer questions. They can direct you to the appropriate specialist if necessary, or have you scheduled the next day to see one of our doctors if it's something that can wait.
Hi, my name is Donna and I've been a patient here at Prime Eye Care for about 10 years. I noticed last year that my son was squinting when he would look across the room, and I got a notice home from his school that he was having trouble seeing the board, and so I knew right away where I needed to take him. And so I brought him in here to Dr. Martin and she performed his eye exam. She was so patient with him and we just had excellent service. I always recommend Prime Eye Care to all my friends and family.
Here at Prime Eye Care, we're here to take care of your eyes as well as your body. We want to help you with your health care as well as your eye care. Please come in and see us. We want to help you have better vision and better health.